Hey guys, what's going on? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to take wheel studs out of your car. If they have stripped threads and you need to remove them, it's a real simple process. I hope you enjoy the video. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications. Be sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of vehicles you guys are working on. And also, let me know what kind of videos you guys like, and I'll do my best to try to shoot one for you. Also in the description below, I'm going to leave a link to where you can get some great deals and some tools. I'm also going to leave a link to my website. There's a form there to fill out if you're working on a car and you need some help. Fill that form out, get it back to me, and I will answer your question as soon as I can. That being said, let's get into the video. First thing you're going to do is remove the two 13mm bolts out of the caliper. Remove the caliper. Let it hang right here. Take the brake pads off. Careful, don't lose the shims when you do. These are the shims right here. Now you can get to the studs. New stud right here. I'm going to go in the same way, just like that. An easy way to do it is to get an oversized bolt, stick it just like that. Then you can get the slug nut. Make sure you buy a couple extra lug nuts because you're going to ruin the threads on pulling it through like that. Alright, and there you have it. When you're at home, you can use an electric impact, but you're going to need some form of impact. Okay, and again, buy a few extra lug nuts, okay, because you're going to mess up the threads when you're pulling them through like that. If you're at home, that's the easiest way to do it. You're just going to reverse procedure to install the caliper bracket, the caliper, and the pads. And that's the easiest way to install new studs and lug nuts on your vehicle.